At Sherwin-Williams, and I'm looking around their BTC Business Training Center, and I've got Leon here, who's their tech specialist. Leon, tell us a little bit about yourself and how long you've been working for the company.
Good to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Technical specialist here for around 17 years. Worked 1 year close to R&D in the beginning, and 16 years in the field, and here at the BTC to take care of our partners for training.
And we're going to also be looking at a specific kind of machine, the Collision Core Pronto.
Yeah, correct. This is the one.
There are some key features that I'd like you to share with the people watching, and those are the time savings, the accuracy, wastage, and who the target audience of this machine is.
Now, for time saving, if you have body shop with 30 mixings a day, this is really time saving for them. So the painter who's manual doing the job, he can do other stuff in the body shop, preparation or whatever he needs to fix in that time. The machine is working with 3 digits, so you can really make a small amount of paint as well. 0.05 if you need to do a touch bottle. You can fill it up, and it can mix up to 200 colors, if you like.
In a day?
In a day.
And so that's going to then, if you're talking about accuracy, we're talking about wastage. So because it's so accurate, there's no mistakes of over adding
no, overpouring, underpouring. No, it's gone.
Yeah.
So what you do normally manual, with overpouring over the scale, minor extra toners in, it's gone.
And your target audience for this machine?
Mediocre to big body shops.
So we're looking at audience body shops that are mixing, would you say 20 to 30 mixes a day?
Yeah, correct. Yeah,
And
having more spray boxes to paint in, more painters, so they can log in personal login IDs and mixing their own toners, their own formulations.
Brilliant. So now you're going to give us a quick demonstration of how it works.
Yeah, we do.
Leon, you just picked this plastic container up. What is it for?
This is the canister that you put the cup in, so and that will go on the belt to escort it to the right.
Ah, right. So you don't just put the mixing cup straight into the machine.
No,
it's got to go into this holder.
Yes. So we're now here at the Pronto machine. We will pick out our order that we sent by our CRS system to the Pronto, create an order, and get a label out of it.
So you just printed the label off.
Yeah.
And what's the purpose of that? Because it's got a barcode on it.
This label are the order of the formula that you want to have out of the machine. So
right.
The existing car formula that you want to use for your car inside the spray. It goes into the front of a sensor, it reads the barcode, and it knows what kind of order is going in. And now it continues through the machine, filling up all the toners inside.